This is the Monster Jam Champ Ramp Backflip Championship. At the end of this video, we're going to have a bonus Monster Jam video game freestyle showdown. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. And for more awesome videos, check out our channel. What's going on, guys? We've got a jam-packed card today. It's Spin Master versus Hot Wheels. We're going to see which driver can walk away with that awesome Monster Jam trophy. Here we go. Our first truck up is the Spin Master Soldier's Fortune. Whoa, that was a nice backflip. Check out that replay. Nice. Up next, we've got Monster Mutt. Whoa, and Monster Mutt crashed. Check out the replay. He loses his wheel on the backflip ramp. Wow. Up next, we've got the Hot Wheels Monster Truck Chassis Snapper. Whoa, and Chassis Snapper winds up on his roof. It looked like he was trying to go for a double backflip and just could not complete it. Let's see what Overkill Evolution can do. Wow, that was a perfect backflip by Overkill Evolution. El Toro Loco's looking to make some noise. Wow, that was some big time air by El Toro Loco. Check that out. That was amazing! Here's the WWE John Cena monster truck. Whoa, what a smooth backflip by John Cena. Check that out. The judges are gonna love that. These drivers are gonna have to start taking some chances if they want to score big time with the judges. Up next, we've got Grave Digger Legend. Wow, Grave Digger Legend just comes flying in there and takes care of business. What an excellent backflip. Check it out. Here comes the Spin Master Monster Mutt Dalmatian. Whoa, and a big time crash by Monster Mutt Dalmatian. Here's Dragon sporting that special edition paint scheme. And that was an excellent backflip by Dragon. Wow. Up next, we've got Mohawk Warrior, and I know he's got something planned big time. Wow, and Mohawk Warrior does not disappoint. He pulls off a double backflip. That was the best backflip so far. He's got my vote. Wow! V8 Bomber's ready to go. Oh, and V8 Bomber went for the double backflip and crashed out. He saw Mohawk Warrior and knew he had to do something big, but you gotta give it to him for giving it a shot. Up next, we've got Backwards Bob, and you guessed it, he's gonna do his backflip backwards. Oh, and Backwards Bob has a huge crash. I hope he's okay. All right, they just let us know Backwards Bob is okay. Up next, we've got Taz, and Taz has an awesome backflip. Check it out, that was textbook. Team Hot Wheels is ready to go. Oh, and Team Hot Wheels has a massive crash. They must have had some kind of mechanical issue because the truck took a sudden turn right at the end. Let's see what Metal Militia can do. Oh, and Metal Militia crashes out. Mohawk Warrior set the bar so high with that double backflip. These drivers are really pushing themselves to the limits. Here comes Bounty Hunter. Oh, and Bounty Hunter had a great backflip. That was nice. Hotweiler's looking pretty mean. Oh, and Hotweiler had a nasty crash. Wow. Check out that replay. Nea Police is up next. Oh, and Nea Police has a bad crash. They didn't even get all the way up the backflip ramp. Let's see what Gas Monkey Garage can do. And they completed a perfect backflip. Nice. Here's the old school Grave Digger. Oh, and Grave Digger almost got it, and then he just crashed right at the end. They tipped right there at the end. It was so close. Here comes WWE Undertaker. Oh, and Undertaker went for the big time air and crashed. He paid the price because that was a bad crash. Whoa, who's ready for some ice cream? Because here's the Ice Cream Man. Yes, and the Ice Cream Man has an excellent backflip. Check that out. He wasn't messing around. Here's Scorcher. He's a rookie. Let's see what he can do. That was a nice backflip. You can tell he kind of played it safe, but it was still a great backflip. Here comes Pirate's Curse. Oh, and that was a great backflip by Pirate's Curse. He almost lost it there at the end, but pulled it off. Here's Zombie. Whoa, that was a smooth backflip by Zombie. He just went right in there and went to work. Up next, we've got Stars and Stripes. Oh, and that was an ugly crash by Stars and Stripes. Check it out. He went for the double backflip and crashed out in a big-time way. Whoa. During an interview with our pit reporter, Avenger said he was going to go all out. Oh, and he sure did. Whoa. He completely destroyed his truck. Whoa. That was a horrible crash. Look out, bad guys, because here's Batman. And Batman has a great backflip. These drivers need to do something big. I still think Mohawk Warrior has had the best backflip. Here comes Max D. Oh, and Max D went for it all. He never disappoints. He puts on a show for the fans. And that was a huge crash. Here's Bone Shaker. Oh, and Bone Shaker has a huge crash. Going for that double backflip. Wow. Up next, it's Grave Digger. And Grave Digger lands a perfect backflip. Here's our last truck to be competing for the backflip championship, and it is Son of a Digger, and you know he's going to go all out. Whoa, that was amazing! He completed the backflip and landed it with a front stoppy wheelie. I think he's got this thing won. And the judges' scores are in, and it's Mohawk Warrior. Mohawk Warrior did have that great double backflip, but in my opinion, I think Son of a Digger had it. Leave in the comments below who you think should have won. Wow, what an event. Now it's time for some video game freestyle. Here we go.
Amazing! Marvelous! Extreme! Awesome! Great! Go! Shocking! Awesome! Amazing! Marvelous!
That's all for today, guys. If you like this video, please crush that like and subscribe button like a monster truck.